Oh, hey y'all. Guess who's back with another tutorial for y'all as we stay inside with nobody to impress. But if you had someone to impress, they would be impressed because look at how cute these are. Yes, yes with the pigtails girl. Yes with the bun girl. Yes, truly for no one. No one's gonna see you, girl. You stand inside, girl. All right, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial, y'all. I started with this Cream of Nature Pure Honey Twisting Cream, some olive oil, just regular grocery store olive oil, and the hair I used was 1 pack of this Rastafari It's Rastafari, but it just got the A that's capitalized. Boom, got it. So here I have just freshly washed, freshly conditioned hair. Listen, can I talk about the weeks where my hair was neither of those things? Because it did not matter. But here we are, we're back. We're taking care of it. I don't have that little bottle I used to have that had the little like nozzle that could get right up on your scalp. So now I just manually put the oil on my hands and into my hair. And as you know, if you've been following along, y'all, we always start with sectioning off hair. I'm never putting anything in my head. I'm not adding a single extension until all of my sections have been created. I did about 22 for my entire head of hair. So really big sections, roughly like 5 to 7 per section is what I did. And so I went and I just went ahead and twisted my hair all the way up. Shout out to my girl Carla. Every now and again, you might see me chatting to somebody off screen. Me and my girl Carla did a virtual spa day. You can still have fun with your friends, even if you're staying inside. And it was really fun because I got to show her like the behind the scenes of how I make one of these videos and how I do my hair. So that was a really good time. If you got some friends and y'all enjoy doing spa-like stuff, go ahead and give them a call. Do a virtual spa day. It might be really fun. So yeah, here I am just twisting my hair, going through the entire process. Oh, this is too long. Yeah, we're going to speed this up. We're going to speed this up, y'all. It's going on for too long. Let's just power on through. Okay, we're almost done twisting. Yes, girl, twist. Yes, finally. Okay, next step. Now that we're done that part, we're going to move on to preparing the extension hair. So what I did is I did the lighter color, which is a number 4. I did that in the front, and what I did is I took about 6 to 7 pieces for every twist, and I separated that out. And then what I did is I just ran my fingers through the hair to make it a little bit more kinkier, disturb that perfect curl pattern. For the highlights, I did a couple of pieces where I didn't have any highlight, but for almost every piece I had added in this bit of brown highlight. And these came separated, so you gotta you gotta break that up, you gotta just pull and take out that little knot that comes with the loop, with the pre-looped ones, and then you just go ahead and separate them suckers out. So this is the part that always kind of takes a second. So if you have the patience, if you have the time, you could honestly when you watching a show, just go ahead and start separating this hair out, that way you can have it ready to go for each twist versus having to do it every single time before you do one of your twists. Yeah, we're going to have to speed all this up because I'm bored. This video was originally going to be 20 minutes, y'all. I was going to show a lot of stuff in real time. And the reason is, it's because after you hit 11 minutes, you can put in a second ad into your video. And the only reason we do anything is for money. And so I was like, ooh, let me see if I can get this to be one of them 21-minute videos, one of them 15-minute videos. And then I was literally just watching it back as I was doing this voiceover. And I was like, this is boring. I'm so tired of watching me do this. I'm just having to do it the one time, honestly. So yes, here we go. We're ready to start doing the twist. I always start with a braid, just because it keeps the hair from slipping. So I always start with a braid before I twist. And I'm using just a little finger bit of this twisting cream, and I'm kind of working it up. I have no allegiance to any kind of twisting products. They are all the same to me, and that I don't care. So if you just use whatever one you have around, you know, if you even care that much, you could probably just use more oil. Just use whatever you want to use. That's going to help your hair retain the moisture as it's rubbing up against all this synthetic hair. So yeah, kind of pull at the ends so that it's not going to be like the uniform curl at the bottom. And then yeah, I just go ahead and braid in the extension hair. Super straightforward. You can decide at what point you feel comfortable moving from doing the braid to doing the twist. I like to do like one more braid with the hair looped in before I start to twist normally, but totally just kind of do whatever you want to do. And then in order to get that kind of kinky, bohemian, messy vibe going on, is you cannot twist uniformly the exact same way down. For some sections, you got to make the twist real tight. For other sections, you got to just loosen up and kind of just twist the hair around itself real casually. And that way you can have on the same strand those differences in curl patterns. I was thinking about this when I was doing this hair. I was like, young me, I don't know if that's because of my generation, but I liked having my hair looking uniform. I wanted every braid to be exactly the same, every twist to look exactly the same. And I think just the older I've gotten, the more I have, and like I think it's become more in fashion to like have bohemian styles. But I think part of it is just like you're gonna look cute regardless. It doesn't really matter. So if you can do a version of a style that's simple and easy and doesn't take too much time and take too much effort, you know, why not just do that version of it? Especially because it's like a metaphor, you know? It's like a metaphor for perfection. It's like we don't need to be perfect, you know? Like we're beautiful as we are, you know, with our highlights and whatnot. And so, look at me all happy. You know when you do a hairstyle and you just aren't sure if it's going to turn out right? You like, man, I really think these ingredients combined are going to give me the look I want, but you just really aren't sure. And then you do that very first braid or twist and you're like, ooh, I'm not sure. And then you look at it and you're like, oh, this is going to be cute. Hey, this is going to be cute. Yes, that was me in that exact moment. So here I am just doing the work of doing my hair. You know, we ain't got nothing else to do, right? We ain't got nothing else to do. And it still took me about 3 to 4 weeks before I was like, hey, girl, maybe your hair? Maybe you could do your hair like in a style, like in a protective style. You could protect your hair and not let like lint and stuff from like all the blankets that you just stay wrapped in just fuse and become one with your hair. You could just wash it. You could condition it. You could style it. It could be moisturized. Maybe, girl, you could make a YouTube video out of it. You can make a whole tutorial. You get yourself a little bit of money if you want it. And I was like, nah, sounds like a lot of work. And then 3-4 weeks later, here I am, and here you are, and here we are, and we did it. Well, obviously I did it. Hopefully you will also gain the strength to do it. But, you know, that's on you. That has nothing to do with me. And I obviously wish you luck. And I'm giving you the tools, right? I'm giving you the tools to make this happen. But whether or not you execute is on you, and I really don't need you in my comments if you didn't do it. No, I don't know where I'm going with this rant, y'all. Yeah, so here I am doing my hair, you know? I'm trying to think, when y'all watch YouTube videos, do y'all want the person who's doing the narration to just like stop when they just doing the thing and just like the fades out and like the lo-fi beats kind of like hopping, or the smooth R&B, and then you just are listening to music as the person twists their hair? Or do you prefer to have commentary? I know for me, I'll sometimes just put the whole video on mute because I really don't even really need you to explain nothing to me. I can just kind of figure it out by watching. So I wouldn't be surprised if many of y'all are like truly not even registering this commentary. But for all of y'all who are listening, good for you. I appreciate that because here I am talking, you know, so we all want to be heard and whatnot. Okay, here we are. Final stretch, final twist. Super exciting. Very, very exciting. It's truly the same as all the other twists in that I started it off with the hair. I looped it around my hair, and then I did a little braid, and then I turned that braid. I separated my natural hair, put one piece in with each section of synthetic hair, and then I twisted that sucker down using a mix of really tight twisting and really loose twisting all the way to the bottom. And when I got to the end, I snipped a little bit off. And here we are basically with the final look. Now, a couple things. Usually I like to lay down my edges, right? But this is a bohemian style, which means no one cares. The point is for it to look messy. So all I did was basically brush them down, and I have not added gel at all. Also, I wanted to reduce how much product was in my hair because that would lengthen the time that I could go without washing my hair, which is always the plan. Is how long can I go before I have to do my hair again? And I was like, the less stuff I add, the better. And then, of course, with these bohemian styles, it always looks super cute once you add on some hair accessories. So that is what I did. And here's my favorite part, y'all. This is my favorite. Oh, yes, girl. When you come back with the lipstick and the earrings, my favorite. Here's what the hair is looking like. Here what the ends and the length are looking like. Super chill, really natural length too, which I like. Normally, I'd like to do the butt long swinging hairstyles. If you've seen my low blonde Bohemian Twist, you know what I'm talking about. But for this one, because I ain't gonna see nobody, because it's a chill day, I'm just keeping it real simple. So first off, oh my gosh, oof, yes, girl, yes. Okay, let's do a couple of hairstyles. This is how I'm actually gonna wear my hair every day when I'm wearing it. For the most part, is just truly thrown back in a low ponytail with one little piece hanging out, looking real cute, real simple. That's my favorite one. But of course, you can always throw it up if you don't want to feel that hair up on your neck. You know, it's getting hot out here. If you're in a place that has good weather, I'm in California. Watch my video about me moving to LA if you want to. Yeah, go ahead and throw that hair up on your head, and then you have yourself a little high pony. Also very much a vibe. Also very much a big fan of this look. Yes, good job, girl. Yeah, girl. Look to the left, look to the right. All right, here's what the back is looking like. Did not brush out them B2Bs. I didn't brush them out. Because for who? Who's going to see them? Who cares? No one. Here I am with my bun. Oh, I love a good, full, fluffy. Yes, girl. Twist them. Yep, tuck it in. Tuck it in, girl. Flatten it down. Smoosh it, get that piece, and then yes, great job, great, yeah, get that part too. Yes, perfect, good job, yeah, good job, girl. Okay, one more style or two more styles? One more style for y'all. Let's go ahead and do. What do we decide to do next? We're gonna do a couple of pigtails for you. That's what we're gonna do finally. Here are just a cute couple of pigtails. If you also wanted to, I don't know, who are you showing off for? Who on the Zoom call needs to see your hair? Like, I don't understand. You would switching it up? Fancy? Okay, I'm gonna do a different version of my normal. Okay. But I mean, listen, we all like having options. So if you want, go ahead and throw your new sexy bohemian twist into some ponytails. You look so cute, girl. Good job. I'm so proud of you finishing a YouTube video. It took so long, but we did it. All right, y'all. That's it. Very proud of myself. Go ahead and give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me a comment, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.